Hello everyone, this is Thiago from ENVEA, and today we're here in our headquarters, and just with me Ryan Gozer from ENVEA UK. Hello Ryan.
Hello Tiago, good to see you. We've had a busy few days here in Poissy, each learning about each other's product ranges across the group. What I think is interesting for us now is just to quickly look at some of the process dust monitors that we are bringing from the UK. There's a couple of key ranges really that we talk about. We can start with filter failure monitors. This is for very basic broken bag detection. But if you want to be a bit more detailed, we will talk about what we call filter leak monitors. This is what we call our leak alert range. There are 4 products in this range. We can have them as standalone sensors. We have the leak alert 73, 75 and 80. 75 and 80 leak alerts, these are approved products, so sometimes people wish to have an element of regulatory approval just to give them confidence in the measurement. Also, if we don't need that, we can just have the leak alert 73. So these are one box solutions with just the sensor. There's another product very similar, but what we call a 2-box solution. So this is where I have the sensor and the controller. So this enables the user to look at the data in a more convenient location. So this is essentially about being able to monitor the filter or the cyclone in a bit more detail and be able to plan some productive and proactive maintenance really. So this is also, all of these are about single compartment filters, so with just the one filter unit. When we move to bigger filters, where we're talking about what we call multi-compartment or multi-chamber filters, here these are very big filters with many compartments. So we have to bring in a slightly different, similar but different monitoring approach, where we're monitoring the outlet from each individual compartment. Because here, if we try and have just a sensor on the output to measure the releases and try and understand where the leaks are, very difficult, practically impossible. So when we move to what we call our leak locate products, we have the leak locate 320 and the leak locate 662. What this is about, as I've said, is being able to monitor the output from each compartment separately. So it enables to detect as a minimum which chamber, which compartment is containing the leaking bags, or potentially even through some of the software functionality we have in our Dust Tools software, we can actually go as far as being able to identify the individual row of bags inside the chamber. Okay, why do we want to do this? It's a big help to the maintenance teams. Trying to find the leaks, the faulty filter media in these really big filters, very difficult. So this is about making the maintenance team who look after these filters, making their job easier. It's about helping them. And that's really what a lot of our process products are about. It's about giving extra information to the user to help them really, get them better understanding on the process or the filter. And sometimes there can be different kinds of filters we need, different kinds of sensor variations, different kinds of insulated sensors if we have very humid conditions, sticky particulates. And then the final range really where we look to do process is actually before the filter. So this is again about process control, but it's measuring the high concentration coming into the filter to enable them just to make it work better, in short summary. At the minute we're still using the ENVEA UK website, which is envea.uk.global. You can still use it under the old brand name PCME, so pcme.com, and this is still active before we transition to the new envea.global website.
That's wonderful. Thank you for all of this information.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. See you next time.
Cheers.
Ciao, ciao.